The tropical forest is a beautiful place full of green. The air and environment are sparkling clean. A little long-eared hare lives there. His name is Easton. He has a vegetable patch of his own, which he cares for tenderly. He wants to grow the tastiest vegetables in the whole forest. When lunchtime comes, he pulls out a fresh carrot and feasts on it, enjoying its wonderful taste. But everything changed one night when Easton was in bed, fast asleep. The next morning, when it was time to treat himself to a sweet carrot, Easton noticed something disgraceful. Someone with very bad manners had thrown a candy wrapper right into his vegetable patch. Easton was even more astounded when he saw that there were 100 more wrappers lying all around. After a moment's thought, he decided to follow the garbage trail, certain it would lead him straight to the rascal. The trail led him to a big tree, with a huge pile of wrappers towering below it. "Hey, who's throwing around garbage so shamelessly?" Easton exclaimed in disappointment. The hare looked up and saw the answer just above his head. On a branch of the big tree sat an ill-mannered monkey. The monkey was gobbling candy and throwing the wrappers on the ground without a care. "Hey, you! Why are you littering in our forest? Stop it right away!" cried Easton indignantly at the monkey. Having been discovered, the monkey took fright. He turned tail and ran as fast as he could, forgetting all about the candy. The monkey jumped so skillfully among the trees, the hare couldn't catch up. However, being quite frightened, the monkey lost control after a while and fell head over heels down towards the ground until he got caught in a tangle of vines and branches. He tried to free himself, but there was no one around to give him a hand. The monkey lost all hope. When, suddenly, Easton appeared from behind the trees. He approached and asked, "Hey, monkey, why do you have such bad manners? Why do you think you can throw garbage all around this way?" The monkey had nothing to say, so he simply looked away, ashamed. "Okay, don't worry," said Easton, relenting. "I'll set you free. Everything's going to be all right." He helped the monkey get down to the ground and asked, "Now, will you be so kind as to clean up after yourself?" Oh, how embarrassed the monkey felt! He didn't utter a word and got down to work. He cleaned everything up to the last piece until the forest looked the same as before. And Easton could again enjoy his carrots in a neat vegetable patch alongside a now well-mannered monkey.